Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you 3 amazing data import features from Excel. First up, importing data from PDFs. Let's say you have a bunch of receipts for your business expenses. To import them, go to the Data tab, click Get Data, select your file, load the table with your data, and you're done. Expense reporting will disappear from your to-do list as fast as a pig's appetite in a slaughterhouse. Next, you can import data from images. Say you're at a conference and you want to capture everyone's contacts. Instead of typing in all that data, you just take a picture of the attendance list. To import it into Excel, go to the Data tab, click Get Data, and select your file. It's that easy. Now, you can spend more time socializing and less time pretending to be interested in people's business cards. Finally, you can import data from the web. This feature allows you to import data from any website into Excel. You can import data from the World Bank website to analyze global economic trends. You can even set it to update automatically so you always have the latest information. Now you can impress your friends with your newfound knowledge of global economics. And they'll never suspect that you can barely use Excel and think that inflation is something that happens to balloons. And there you have it. 3 amazing Excel features that will make your life easier and your work more efficient. Thanks for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up and I'll see you next time.